फॉर 0.1% पीपल जिनको पता ही नहीं आप कौन हो, हु आर यू?
Interesting question. For the 0.1% people who don't know who I am, I think I'm a childlike, curious person who just wants to do things. That's it.
That's it. Nothing else defines you कि मैं Zomato का फाउंडर हूँ, मैं एक बिलियनर हूँ, मेरे पास ये है, मैंने रैक्स टू रिचेस कर दिया, मैं I don't know, identities that you give to yourself.
I don't have any of those things.
कभी खुद को ऐसे डिफाइन नहीं करते in your head?
लोग करते हैं और whenever they try to do it, मेरे को अपने आप को रोकना पड़ता है कि ऐसे नहीं करना डिफाइन अपने आप को.
क्यों?
Because then you lock yourself into just that. Then you can't become anything more than just that. No?
But isn't it कि उसी के लिए तो मेहनत करके काम कर रहा है कि that's something that you should be like you should own, right? कि यही मेहनत करके बनाया है ना, यही आइडेंटिटी के लिए इतनी काम करी.
ये मेहनत करके बना है, लेकिन वो आइडेंटिटी के लिए नहीं बनाया था मैंने.
Okay.
तो I didn't do this for fame, didn't do this for money. I was just curious. मतलब one step after the other, this happened. So,
never in your life you have had कि fuck it, मुझे बहुत पैसे कमाने हैं.
Never.
You had, but आपके बचपन में आपके दीवार पे एक पोस्टर लगा था ना.
But
I was born to lead.
Heard my dad say this last couple of months ago. I was born to lead. I was never born to be ruled. Something like that, yeah.
तो ये पोस्टर लगा था ना, तो फिर तब से तो एस्पिरेशन तो होगी, एम्बिशन तो होगा कि मैं तो लीड ही करूँगा, मैं बड़ा ही बनूंगा सम शॉट.
It could also be कि मैं बुली होता था बचपन में all my life, so it could also be my revolt towards that. I don't know. I don't remember वो पोस्टर क्यों था, कैसे था.
So bully for what? क्या bully होते थे?
So right now you can see I'm like 6 feet tall, but I basically gained about 1.5 feet when I was 12 years old.
Okay.
So I used to be a very short, dark, stammering kid. तो मतलब छोटा है, काला है, stammer करता है, and I used to be bad on my studies as well. So all of those things combined is like nobody, like my friends' parents used to tell them, don't be friends with him.
क्यों?
So, because intelligent, अच्छे मार्क्स आने वाले के बच्चे के दोस्त होने चाहिए ना तुम. So I think all of those कि अच्छा I was मतलब वो पोस्टर भी थोड़ा सा stupid है होना, because 10+1 में I got 42% marks or something like that. So that poster and that just doesn't make sense. Right?
It does make sense because ऐसे marks वाले ही लाते हैं. But what used to bother? सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम क्या होती थी जब लोग ऐसी बातें करते थे कि क्या है, तो तू काला है, तू हकलाता है, तू छोटा सा है, कि सबसे ज़्यादा क्या पिंच करता था उस टाइम?
आई थिंक मोस्टली ये पिंच करता था कि जब भी मैं कुछ बोलता था तो लोग सुनते नहीं थे. तो मिड सेंटेंस पीपल यूज्ड टू स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग एल्स और स्टॉप लिसनिंग एंड लुक अवे, राइट. एंड इट्स लाइक कि ये जो बोलेगा कुछ काम का नहीं है, और ये बोल भी पाएगा ये जो बोलना चाहता है कि नहीं, राइट. सो दोज थिंग्स कंबाइंड, आई थिंक दैट वाज द
like you never
biggest
heard
hurt.
probably.
Yeah.
And कभी घर पे ऐसा हुआ कि मॉम डैड ने भी कुछ बोल दिया हो which disappointed you?
Of course, it was all part of the package.
तो घर वाले भी they were talking about it? They used to point this out?
They didn't used to point it out. They were actually supportive in terms of stammer कि this is in your head, हो जाएगा ये solve. Easily बोल, आराम से बोल, हो जाएगा. Whenever I used to sing, I could sing. तो stammer नहीं करता था मैं उस वक्त. So they like, देख तू गा तो रहा है, तेरे को बोलने में क्या दिक्कत हो रही है. So my home was actually supportive.
Okay.
But you know, even if your home is supportive, you don't think of that as valid. राइट. यू लाइक कि दुनिया सच बोल रही है, तुम्हारा तो काम है मुझे करना प्यार, तुम्हारा तो काम है ये बोलना, तो तुम तो झूठ ही मतलब बोल रहे होगे. आई थिंक दैट माइट हैव आल्सो बीन गोइंग ऑन.
डज इट स्टिल बॉदर स्टैमर?
मेक्स मी नर्वस So, for example, this one also, मतलब it's not easy and comfortable for me to do this. That's why I do less of this. But now I'm like, ठीक है यार, मतलब अटक जाऊंगा, finally तो word बाहर आएगा ही आएगा ना, मतलब.
But अभी भी ऐसे देखते हो कि मे बी ये एक insecurity है या it's a challenge that I have. Do you see stammering as that?
Not really, not anymore. As I'm very at peace with it. कि ठीक है, होगा, अटकेगा, देखी जाएगी. I think that also comes with कि even if I stammer, people will now listen to me, right? So that I've earned a little bit of that. So ठीक है, now I don't care. Otherwise I used to care कि अच्छा, I will get judged. People will stop me. People will stop sort of like listening to me. Attention tune out हो जाएगी. वो सब कुछ used to make me nervous and bother me. Now I'm like, ठीक है, 5 second का pause doesn't matter, right?
When did it change?
I think it gradually changed over the last 5 years or so. अभी भी fully खत्म नहीं हुआ है, मतलब
थोड़ा है अंदर,
रहेगा ही अंदर, कभी भी पूरा तो नहीं जाएगा. तो
But you said कि मैं interviews नहीं करता, मैं ज़्यादा publicly बात नहीं करता. How do you lead a company then? अगर स्टैमरिंग दिमाग में है कि इसकी वजह से मैं इंटरव्यूज़ नहीं करता, इन अ कंपनी एक बोर्ड मीटिंग में बात करनी पड़ेगी, लोगों को इंस्पायर करना पड़ेगा एट लार्ज टाउन हॉल्स, इन्वेस्टर को पिच करना पड़ेगा, सो तब ये बॉदर नहीं करता?
एक ट्रिविया पूछता हूँ, गेस हमारी लास्ट टाउन हॉल कब हुई होगी जहाँ पे मैं बोला हूँगा?
I don't know, 1 month ago, 1 quarter ago?
Stretch it.
A year ago?
Stretch it.
क्या बात है, तो नहीं करते हो?
No, I think it's been 7-8 years since I did a town hall.
So you've not addressed everybody at once?
No, I have
in
not.
7 years?
I just maybe I think the 7-8 years ago town hall was also something that I was forced to. I mean, bad time. I had to really put things back in shape, but I just cannot. I do Slack town halls. तो chat पे करता हूँ मैं town halls. Like, so one message and people like reply to them, threads में बनते हैं, and then next message. I do town halls on text.
Or the reason is stammering?
Yes. I just cannot, I mean, this is too much effort. Stage, public presence, that's just not my thing.
Interesting. And फिर investor pitches?
Investor pitches, तो they're one-on-one. It's cool. चलता है.
अच्छा, that you're fine with.
One-on-one.
Was there any point जहाँ पे एक investor pitch करी and because of your stammering you felt nervous and शायद वो deal चली गई या somebody pointed that out?
Not really. Maybe people chose to not invest in Zomato because of that. Maybe, I don't know, because they would never tell you on your face, right? But I didn't feel that.
But have you ever felt कि एक room में हो और you want somebody's, maybe you want a client or you want investments and उस time पे you sensed कि इनको मेरी ability पे doubt है कि मैं शायद इतनी बड़ी team inspire कर पाऊंगा, lead कर पाऊंगा?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं मेरे दिमाग में कभी.
You've never felt it?
Never felt it.
Are there words जो अभी भी बहुत difficult होते हैं, stutter करते हो जिसपे?
It's very random. I just like कुछ syllables पे I would stutter, like this, like double L's, like something like that, like so. अच्छा, ऐसे list नहीं कि ये word नहीं है,
ऐसा नहीं बोल सकता, for नहीं बोल सकता, ऐसे कुछ नहीं.
ऐसा नहीं. And on a good day, I can talk about anything. So it's not like it's a chronic कि ये structural issue नहीं है, mental issue है.
Have you tried to fix it?
I'm done fixing it. If I try to fix it, it also means that I have to tell myself that I'm still bothered with it. So I've just stopped telling myself that I'm bothered with it. So I just moved on.
But कभी ऐसे नहीं गया, बहुत सारे founders और public figures, celebrities, वो classes जाते हैं, doctors के पास जाते हैं, stammering के exercises करते हैं to improve themselves. All of that, was that a part of your life ever?
ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी.
Can I go bother?
And I think that also made me learn how to write really, really well. So I think what I lack for in terms of being able to talk, I can more or less cover up in terms of how I write. So
fair.
चलता है.